Yo, what's up guys, it's me, and today I will teach you how to make the single-sided ninja star. As you can see, there's only one side, and yeah, but in future videos I will teach you how to make the double-sided ninja star. So there's this side on both sides. So yeah, also if you're new, please subscribe to this channel and like, comment and share this video. So yeah, let's get going. So first you need a sheet of paper, and yeah, so you first fold this in half, then make a crease down here, and you should flip it and fold it the other way and just make a crease like this again. And next, just rip it. And yeah, so first you fold it this way. Fold it like that. And then you fold it this way again. You could do it any side. So yeah. And then you fold it in half this way. And so you can see the middle, I'll just draw a line right over here where the middle is. And yeah, that's the middle. So you want to fold it right over here. And do the same thing on this side, except the other way. Like this. Next, you fold this part down and this part down. And then you fold this side this way so it makes this kind of shape. And do the same thing on this side. Like this. Now you get your other piece of paper and do the same thing basically. Oh yeah, I recommend you to fold it nicely so it's easier to make and fold. And I'll draw the middle for you guys again. And yeah, just do the same thing. This, and that. So after you make your two stars, you put one on top of each other, and you just fold it here, then fold it into this pocket right over here, fold it into that, and fold it here into this pocket, and do the same thing for this one. And you may need to like adjust it and fix it, but it's gonna turn out better after you just adjust it. And yeah, this is how you make the single-sided ninja star. And in the next video I will show you how to make the double-sided ninja star, so stay tuned.